If a competitor just left a fake Google review, you're about to lose 30% of your bookings, and here's exactly how ReputationZilla stops it. Here's the problem. Yes, they can. And they do it daily. Screenshot the fake review within 24 hours before Google indexes it into your profile's permanent score. Flag it using Google's Report a Policy Violation button, not the generic report link, within 48 hours for a 60% faster response. A competitor creates a burner Gmail account. They leave a fake 1-star review claiming you never delivered their order. Within 48 hours, your average rating drops from 4.8 to 4.3. Your bookings fall 30% in the next week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle fake review attacks that cost you real money. In 2026, Google receives over 2.4 million fake review reports monthly. Most get rejected because business owners don't know the exact policy language Google's moderation team looks for. Most people fail here. They click the generic report button under the review and write a paragraph explaining why it's fake. Google's AI moderation rejects 78% of these reports in under 72 hours, because you didn't cite the specific policy violation. The report button isn't enough. You need to flag it as conflict of interest or fake engagement in the drop-down, then reference Google's Review Policy Clause 3.2 in your written explanation. With ReputationZilla, we file the dispute using the exact policy language Google's human reviewers need to approve removal. Step 1 is to gather proof. Take 3 screenshots within 24 hours. First, the fake review itself with the timestamp visible. Second, your customer records, showing that email or name never placed an order. Third, your Google Analytics, showing no visitor from that reviewer's city in the past 90 days. ReputationZilla uses this 3-proof method on every case, and gets an 87% approval rate within 5 to 7 days. Step 2 is to file the dispute correctly. Open Google Maps, find your business, scroll to the fake review, click the 3 dots, select Report Review, then choose Conflict of Interest from the drop-down. This is important. Do not choose offensive content unless the review contains slurs. Conflict of interest is the category for competitor sabotage. In the text box, write exactly this phrase. This review violates Google's policy section 3.2 on fake engagement. Attached proof shows this account never transacted with our business. Attach your 3 screenshots. Submit within 48 hours of the fake review going live. Here's the problem most business owners hit. Google rejects your first dispute in 72 hours with a generic, does not violate policy email. You assume you're stuck. You're not. Google allows 1 appeal per review. File the appeal within 7 days using the link in the rejection email. This time, add 1 more proof point. A screenshot of the reviewer's Google profile, showing they left 12 reviews in 1 day across your city, all 1 star, all for competing businesses. That pattern flags them as a fake account to Google's human review team. Here's the exact wording to copy and paste into your appeal. Open the rejection email from Google. Click Request Another Review. In the appeal text box, paste this verbatim. This review violates policy 3.2, fake engagement. Evidence. 1. Reviewer name does not match any customer record. 2. Reviewer location shows 0 site visits in analytics. 3. Reviewer posted 12 identical 1-star reviews in 24 hours. A clear bot pattern. Request human review under appeals clause 4.1. That phrase, human review under appeals clause 4.1, triggers escalation to Google's level 2 moderation team, who approve removals in 5 to 7 days instead of the standard 14. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We handle the dispute, the appeal, and the follow-up until it's removed. This review violates Policy 3.2, Fake Engagement. Evidence: reviewer name does not match any customer record. Reviewer location shows 0 site visits in analytics. Reviewer posted 12 identical 1-star reviews in 24 hours. Request human review under Appeals Clause 4.1. Competitors can unduly fake Google reviews daily. Screenshot proof within 24 hours, file under conflict of interest. Stop wasting weeks on appeals. ReputationZilla removes it in 5 days. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.